Yeah, my bro in the house. Where is it? Is that not the meaning? Nice to have you here once again. You're welcome to our channel. As you can see today, we are getting it down. Oh. You know. This is not my favorite swallow. We have oatmeal here. My favorite swallow is amala. If you guys want to see us eat amala, leave it in the comment section down below. Okay, we'll be happy to do that for you. My daughter has only had amala just once with a egusi soup. Yeah. So how do you feel about the amala? What do you think?
I think amala is quite nice. I think it's nice.
When you eat it well with the soup, right?
That's when the flavor comes out.
Today we're having oatmeal and we have okra soup here with some assorted meat. Can you guys see? This soup is nyomelicious. Oh. When I say soup is nyomelicious, so it has assorted meat there. Any kind of meat is there. I'm very, very hungry. I want to get it down. We're going to be gisting, we're going to be talking. She's going to be asking me some slangs, British slangs.
And some modern day slangs. And basically be testing my mom if she understands that the slang. It's so exciting.
I might ask her some Nigerian slangs as well. So let's see who wins it. So we're going to be talking. Join us as we demolish. As it goes down. She's having juicy. I don't know if you can see it. I'm having my warm water. I love to have warm water. I just love it. I hope this is not too hot, Diamond.
Oh, I'm mixing with cold water.
Diamond, bless the food.
Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and like as well. And let's get into the video. Get a hot cup of coffee or whatever you want, hot chocolate, and put your feet up and let's get to the video because it's going to be good.
Let us pray before we eat. Amen.
Wait, guys, before we get into this video, I eat my swallow with a fork, and my mom's always like, no, you don't eat it with a fork, you're ruining this isn't how you eat it. But I eat it with a fork.
Honestly, it's an insult on our Nigerian food. Okay? It's an insult on our Nigerian food. Although this is oatmeal, oat fufu, but this is swallow. It's meant to be eaten with your hands and not with some cutleries and stuff. No. That's just how our food is meant to be. It's meant to be eaten with your hands, not with fork or whatever. Yeah. So this is mine. You know.
You know.
I love to have a lot of assorted meats. You can see the orishirishi, panla, everything is in this soup. Honestly, You want fish?
No, thank you.
She doesn't like fish. I don't know what to do. This girl eats fish. Diamond is really nice. You want shaki?
Yeah.
She likes shaki. She likes shaki. I'm trying to teach my children how to eat my swallow. Eat fish, Diamond. You have to eat it. Please don't waste it. Okay? And sure you're gonna enjoy it. That was red fish there. You're going to enjoy it.
To be honest, I'm not really a big fan of fish. I don't really like it.
Yeah, she doesn't like fish. Guys, join us as we demolish.
Just prefer to use cutlery. Anyway, Mom, so as we said before, I'm going to be asking my mom British slangs and seeing if she'll get it, and she might also be asking me Nigerian slangs. So the first slang is, if I come to you and I say, that's proper shocking, like if I'm having a conversation, I go, that's proper this proper shocking. What does that mean?
Something is proper and is shocking. Proper shocking. It shocked you now. You weren't expecting. Is that not the meaning? Yeah. What will it mean again?
Oh no.
Guys. Proper shocking. Properly, the thing shock you where electricity shock.
Oh
my! Shocking. What does shocking mean? Something shock you, no Gigi.
No, it doesn't mean physically shock. If you use proper in the conversation or like a before word, it would mean like that's very like.
You're not meant to stop eating. You have to continue eating and talking.
Okay, sorry.
Get tired of the food. Just keep talking and eating, but be careful. Be careful. It's not that spicy anyway. This is for mom. I'm about to go down. This soup is so delicious.
It's honestly so good.
Waiting they play.
Water. Doesn't mean that. Oh, did I get it? Yes. Okay, so the next British slang is bro. Like Like that kind of thing. So let me give you an example. So if you say like something like, oh no, I'm not gonna do this, and we'll be like, and I want you to do it, I'll be like, bruh. Like that kind of thing.
It's brother now, bro. Hey, but it's bro, not brother.
The way it's so funny. Oh my gosh. It does mean brother, but
Have you changed bro to something else again?
No, basically it's just like basically just means like I don't know, how would I describe this, guys? How would I say this? I don't know how I would say this. Bro. I don't know how I would describe this, guys.
Broom.
Oh no, Mom, not broom, not broom.
Understand.
Not broom. Bro, like
Okay, what does it mean?
it means like, you see, if I say something to you and you want me to do, you'd be like, something like that. Basically, it's basically that, but as a slang. Wait, Mum. Can you try and use bro in a sentence? Bro.
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 It's brother now.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
My own bro is different from what she's saying.
Try and use in a sentence, Mom. Just come on.
Yeah, my bro in the house. I have a Nigerian bro.
I would say half. It's,
What's the meaning of bro?
It means like, I don't know how I would say this, but if you were to do something, if I was to do something and then you wanted me to do it, you would go like that kind of thing. It's basically that, but in British slang.
It's still there. This is, guys, so malicious.
Honestly, it is.
What is waiting to happen now?
Like, what's up again? Kind of like a greeting. Yes.
It's not a greeting.
What does cancelled mean? If I say like, this person is cancelled.
It's dead. Diamond has messed up the phone. Cancel. It's cancelled now.
Oh my god. No, Mom. As a slang, cancelled would be like... Wait, sorry. Cancelled would be like somebody, celebrity or something like that, does something wrong or inappropriate. Then you would say that they're cancelled. If people were rebelling against that, they would be cancelled. Oh my gosh, Mom.
No, that's not what I said.
No, you said dead.
Here. I don't know. Pie. What does pie mean?
Pie. Dead? No life?
It's not easy to talk and eat. Especially when you're eating your malicious like Have you guys tried oatmeal fufu? Basically, this is oat powder. I just use it to like make a dough, and it's so healthy, you know. If you want to eat your swallow and you still want to stay fit, this is okay, you know. This is banla. It's about to go down. And the way she's dulling our food. Prop. She can't enjoy it.
Join it like this too, Mom.
What is okra soup without manla? Goledo. When you put manla with some assorted meat, oh my god.
What does peng mean? If I go, that's peng. What is that?
Peng. Penguin.
Peng. No, it doesn't mean penguin. Have another try. It's not an abbreviation for penguin.
Peng. Peng.
Yeah. I see where you're coming from. Yeah, like cool, like that kind of thing, like cool and all that. Okay, so you got that one right. It's not that hot.
So if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go and subscribe to Diamond's channel. The link to our channel will be in the comment section and it's also in the description box down below. Click and subscribe. You will like our channel, yeah. Mm. 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 Last time I said Nigerian food is the best, people came for me. Don't say that again. Why don't you say that? Well, that's the food best I've tasted. Sorry. I'm going to bed. Something you will eat with your hand and do justice to it. Look at it here.
I prefer to use a fork. Oh, Mum's finished. So, Mum, what does like if I come to you and I go, Yori, like Yori? Yori.
You're right now.
Yeah, that was right.
You think I will know that one? Everyone says that. You're right.
Mommy, I don't want this.
You don't want mama? No, she doesn't want mama. Imagine.
So good. This is so good. I'm really full. I think I'm good.
Oh. Just because you're eating, you've seen everywhere. Huh? She doesn't like mama. She doesn't like fish.
I only like beef.
Why is she eating okra soup? I know. I still have soup here. It has gotten down. Guys, move back on le. So,
I didn't finish everything, but that's okay. I didn't really eat that much.
it's just a little more.
Yeah, just a tiny
So all
bit.
the fish, the broken fish here, she didn't eat it. She don't. Anyways, I'm going to wash my hand now, and then I will now look for a place to relax. Because this kind of food, After eating it, you need to relax. Don't stress yourself. Just relax. Because it has gone down.
It's gone down.
It has gone down.
It's gone down.
Oh, gone down.
It's gone down.
You might go down.
It went down.
Oh, go down.
It went down.
Ah, oh, go down. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, like this video, and let us know if you want more of this kind of video. We'll see you all in our next video, and don't forget to check out Diamond's channel in the comment section below. Love you all. Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, Moti, oh.